move all our creatures forward, and if there are no enemy creatures on battlefield... Oh, fuck! He has no damage, блин. Hi, I will show you an actual progress of my Dream Dam game development. Main idea of this game is to give a player a full experience of original NES Battletoads, but player doesn't need any reaction or memorizing to complete it. And I think it will be real, because I mixed here an NES Battletoads game, Hearthstone, and some turn-based tactics game. Let's start. We have an empty battlefield at very beginning, and what we should do here? Our main goal is to decrease enemies' health to 0, and we play as some NES player guy, and our enemy is first level Ragnarok Canyon. At start we can play some cards, play creatures. We have only one creature, it's Rash. Actually, we can play it as lot as we can, because it's sandbox mode and it has no some gameplay restrictions. We do not waste cards when played. So we played 2 Rashes. What's next? How we can deal damage to enemy? We can't just deal it directly. We have hero power that works like this. If there are no enemy creatures on battlefield, enemy hero gets 1 damage, and our creatures move forward. Let's watch. I use hero power, our Toads moved forward, enemy got damage. And there you can see how enemy hero power works. Every time when enemy gets damage, he gets some obstacle card. It can be enemy or some spell that enemy will use against us, and that's the main idea. We move along the level, and level adds obstacles for us. For now it's a pig. Enemy can spawn some pigs, and we can try to fight them. We can use cards of movement. It's just like spells in Hearthstone. We use move spell on Toad and move anywhere we want. Left, up, down. We can move everywhere. So we can command creatures to attack other creatures, just like in Hearthstone. Let's attack this pig. It's light jabs combo at first, because pig's health was even, and now we can finish him with knocking out uppercut. And now pig is knocked down, let's finish him up. Move right with other Toad and play some football here, and when enemy has 1 health, we can finish him off with big foot, for example. Let's try to kill other pig. Pigs can attack too. Our Toads for now has 3 health. I know it's 6 at original, it's not a problem for me. And pig can kill this Toad, and Toad dies. Let's get our revenge. We can wait until this pig will stand up. It will stand up when its owner will get his turn, like this. And let's finish it with big punch, like that. Okay, so what's next? What can we do? Either we can use get ready to jump spell, for example, to jump somewhere. Where we can jump? Let's watch. Our enemy can create some obstacles, like hills, for example, like this. And now we can get ready to jump and move right to jump on it. Actually, ready to jump has another interesting effect. if some creature tries to attack us, we can evade attack by jumping. Let's watch. Our Toad is ready to jump now, and Walker tries to attack. And he can't because Toad just evaded his kicks. What if Pig will stand near? We will try to jump, and this pig will try to jump too, and other pig will just stay here. Walker will try to attack Toad, and it attacks pigs instead of him. And this pig is evading attack too. That's like this. What more? Rush spell increases our move distance, and we can move twice as far. Let's watch other funny features, like decomposable status of Walker. What does it mean? If Walker dies, pow. Let's get Rush another time. Hornbutt. Oh no, it was Bigfoot, right? We will perform Hornbutt if if we are Russian and enemy is near to die, right? Let's do it. Let's kill our Toad with Hornbutt. No, not like this. This rash will attack this rash. Yeah, like this. What now? If we kill Walker, we get stick and his head that we can use. We can lift head and drop it if we want. It still has no sense like in original game. We can get a stick. And now our Toad is armed. That means every attack will be knocking out. Our pig. Oh, it doesn't work for now. Let's get stick and try to kill that pig with it. Pow. And finishing blow. And pig is dead now. Okay. Actually, we can grab our Toads because they are lightweight. It means we can grab them. We can spawn more Toads and get this funny pyramid, I think. Oh, it was wrong move, right? We can grabbing Toad. It's not a problem. And grab some more Toads. And when we attack them, they all will be fly out. They will be knocked out. We can do this with pigs too. Pigs are lightweight, so we can grab them and drop them. Our next creature is a mosquito. Mosquito is a deserter, so he will fly away at enemy's turn start, like this. But when mosquito is still in battlefield, we can eat him because a mosquito is tasty. And we can refill our health. Our Toad has 2 health now, and let's spawn a mosquito and eat him. Yeah, so now Toad has full health now. Funny thing that every creature can be tasty if we use salt spell on them. This Toad is tasty, so we can try to eat him. We can move closer and... oh, we ate this Toad. Okay, last creature I've created, I'm still making it now, is a dragon. Dragon is flying creature that will be will try attack us from a highness. because it's diving, flying, winged creature, and it's ready to dive now. Dragon will fall down and attack some creature. And if creature is knocked down, oh boy, it will be a body slam that kills them. We can't reach dragon from below. Actually, we can try, but our aerial attack doesn't deal damage. I checked it out in original game. We really can deal damage to dragon by jumping and blowing him with these jabs. Or our only chance is to use stick. Let's get the stick. Help me, other toad, please. And now we have stick. Let's wait for dragon will get high point and now jump and attack him like this. Funny thing that we can kill this dragon. Oh, no, not kill dragon. We can knock down dragon without knocking it out, just like in original. We can smack him with our hammer fist, and then we can finish him like this. What can I show you? Another funny thing, desert card makes any creature deserter like a mosquito, and now our toads will just fly away on our turn start. We have some cards that terraforming our tile map like this. We can create pits, and toad will try to jump, try to gap. Let's get him rush and ready to jump, and now try to jump. Actually, it's too big gap to jump like this. We should stay there and get ready to jump and rush and move right like this. Jump animation broke. Fuck. So we can create downhill like this. We can create what can we create more? We can create walls. We can remove rows, and we can create new rows here. And move forward. We can create top rows either, and make our map really big. Maybe some hills here. So that all things are implemented here. You can touch it by your own if you want. I will leave a link below. Bye.